To get started, you want to match the ends of your cord and then run it through your fingers to find the centre. And then you just want to do a little knot to create a loop. So you should have something like that. So then you just want to pull a couple of inches out here and then just tie another knot in both your cords and then pull that tight. And then you want to take one of your cords, you want to attach your beads. So I've just added 4 beads, but you could add more or less if you prefer. So you just want to push these along a bit, and you want to leave a little bit of slack in the cord that's got the beads on, and then you want to pinch the 2 cords together and just do another knot in both the cords. And finally you want to do a little knot at the end of both of your cords. So this is just going to create the tail end that you use to tie your anklet on. And once you've done both of those, you can trim and seal your ends. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal, but you could use glue if you preferred. And once you've done that, you should end up with something that looks like this.